So initially, like no, when you are logging into S4HANA, so we need to click on this ABAP perspective, and you can see right side. Okay, if it is a BW4 HANA, you need to select a BW model. If it is SAP HANA, we will select SAP HANA model. Now we are doing it CDS views creation in S4 HANA, so we need to click on ABAP, click on open. So we are already into the ABAP perspective, and this is my system S22. So so we need to give and log in S4 HANA system. And just right click and we'll get some option like a new other ABAP repository update. So here we have option data definition. Select. So we are not collecting it. So I'm creating under the $TMP. So it will no need to collect under the $TMP. So now you can see define view now. Multiple annotations will come. You can see here. Do we have any join here? Okay, so I'm selecting this by default, this one, define view. Click OK. So by default, it will come. Okay, same name. So this SQL name is mandatory. So what if you keep it blank, then it will not activate. This is mandatory. We need to give some name. So the SQL view name and giant name should be similar. So here we have a underscore CDS and I'm giving Z test CDS without underscore. Okay. On this preserve key we discussed yesterday, true or false, whatever for the table we have it, that we will take it. Okay, ABAP. So here, I mean, authorization, if you want to give not required now, authorization. So control space, if you want to give mandatory and not allowed, so privilege only. So based on your roles, you can access this one. Okay. So as of now, I kept like, no, this not required by default escape. So you can give through authorization annotation as well, this access control. Okay. This is not mandatory. You can include this one. Okay. And second one also not required. If it is there also, if it is not there else it will work. But first one is very important. Okay. And like now you given like in the web app. So yesterday we saw few things. Okay. Here. And if you want to do like now this one, how you will do in the comment SAP HANA. In SAP HANA, you are giving comments, right? In SAP HANA. How you are making comments? You are making comments by double slash, okay, slash star, multiple lines comment. This is how we did, right? In the here also we will do same thing, comments. If you want to do comments, okay, this is comment. And you can do double slash. So it's comment. Okay, if you want to do multiple lines comment, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. So these are all comments. So this is single line and multiple lines. This is the way we can do comments in CDS view. Okay. And if you want to take all the fields, control space. From VBAP, you can take all the fields. From VBAP, you can take all the fields. So insert all elements, so it will come. So we don't require all, and I'm deleting it. Okay. So here you can see this one. Syntax error. The following element was expected. So that means we need to remove this comma. So now we don't see it. So one more thing here we need to discuss. So this is also case sensitive, but like no, here you can see key. So if you give key, so you can see all the small letters. And if you give like key, it won't allow. You should not give like this. Okay, you should not give like this. Okay, one small letter and two capital letters, we should not provide like this. So, but you can give like this way. First one is capital letter and second one and small letters, like you can give it. Okay, so you can give all small letters also you can give it, but it won't allow capital letter last one. Similar way here also same. So here you can select first letter you can give. Okay, it won't give any problem. So, okay. So if you select L as a capital, then it will have a problem. See here, unexpected keyword select. So we should not give like that. So you can give capital letter as a first letter, or else you can give all small letters. So we need to handle like this. Okay, just activate it. Check. Do we have any issues? So no issues, and activate it. No issues. It's activated. So you can see yesterday it was not refreshed properly. So once you activate the CDS view, it will create the CDS view and SQL view name. Okay, SQL view name will come. So now you can give where class as well. Let me activate, I mean, see the data preview, and you can see data preview here. See, like this we can see. If you want to filter here, how you made filter like 490, I want to give it. Right click and you can pick filter. See, 490 km. And if you want to change, you can change it. And if you want to put unique filter, distinct values, and you can give distinct values as well. See, these are total, we having distinct values in this value, 1382 distinct values. And even you can go and check in here also, distinct values in HANA table as well. HANA table as well. Okay, like this we have it. So 1085 we have six records because we having six count, six count. Okay, and you can see the percentage as well. Okay, and if you want to see SQL console, and you can see this is the SQL statement generated by default. And if you want to see total number of records, okay, this many records are there, and you can check in S4 table itself. Where it is. Check how many records are there. You can see 1678. How many records are 1678? Okay. And distinct values, you can see it. Okay, right click and you can see distinct values. Okay. I will select this one. Copy value. How many are there here? Six count. So let me give here. How many are there? Six. Six are what are this? Maybe we having like no different items. You can see 10 item, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20 item are there. This many items are there. Okay. So these are the distinct values. Okay. Not duplicated values. And you can see, okay. And if you want to put filter like this, you can put, or else directly you can put directly quick filter. Okay. And okay. Then if you have any dependency, you can. So I don't have any. Let me keep like no where class as well. How you can do. So this is ending parameter is not important. This is just optional. Okay. This is ending parameter. Okay. Let me activate and you can do it. So this is just optional. You can keep or without semicolon also it will works. It won't throw any error. See, before we don't have it and now we given it. It won't throw any error. You can remove this option and also you can activate and you can run it. This is optional. So it will not throw any error. This is not mandatory. And still you can keep it like no where class. See, in the VBAP, whatever we have tables, it is displaying it. It is displaying it. Okay, I have a field wavelet. So now, so now I don't see any error now. You can activate. Like this, you can put the filter here. Simple only, simple language. See here, I'm getting only 1104 because we kept the filter in CDS view. Okay. So as of now, what we learn in the CDS view, we create a simple calculation view and you can keep like no always reservoirs. See here, we should not keep like this way. You don't have to write like this. So you can write all small or capital letters. Directly you can write like this also, it will allow. So if you write like this, it won't allow. Okay. So this is the one thing. And this ending parameter is optional. Okay, ending parameter is optional. And if you want to comment multiple lines, you can write it this also. Multiple lines. So this we learned it. Okay. And if you want to do single line, you can do like this or else you can do like this for single line. Okay. And if you want to do any constant, for example, if you want to make any constant field, so you can do it like this as well. See now how it will behave and how it will display the in result set. We'll see. See what is there here? This column completely capital constant. So in the BW4 HANA or BW1 HANA, we will make it as a K4, right? So in the same way, we will maintain it. And now, if you want to give string also, you can able to give it. Okay, you can see like this. And but don't give like okay, don't give like okay 0.123. Okay, 0, 1 to 3. I think it will allow, no, I'm not sure. Okay. Activate. See, so still it is coming 1.20, okay, 1.23, but generally will not give here like this. 1 to 3. So it will throw error like this, okay? An alias name must be assigned for the literal values. So this, for making any constant, you just check like this. Okay. So these are the options mostly will face it. And let me try one join as well. So okay, and activate it, and I will create one more simple join. Close. Let me create one more join. Okay. So I will create, right click on this, and directly I can create here also. So we are not going to capture anything under the $TMP. So we are not saving. And yeah, continue. So yeah, if I wanted to make it as a comment for this one, and this one, okay, I'll give a skill view name. So I will use same like this. Okay, and I will not do any changes. Okay, for select statement, yeah, I'll give. Okay. So here CDS views will support like no three giants. What are all those? Like by default, left outer giant will support. Left outer giant will be there by default, and inner giant and right outer giant. Right outer giant. So total it will support three giants. Okay, by default left outer giant will support. Okay, just remember these three points. By default left outer giant and right outer giant and inner giant will support. So I'm trying to do left outer giant. So with VBAP. So automatically the field is coming. Okay. And here you can give control space. Same way you can give here control space. So now what will happen? See, now what will happen? So we are doing left outer join with based on two tables, VBAC and VBAC. So earlier we have taken only one table, and it will get data from the one table only. So once you do like this insert all elements, it will bring the fields from both tables in this scenario. So I'm doing left outer join, right? So we having two tables. From two tables, the fields will come. See, VBAP. You can see VBAP, and if you go up, and VBAC fields also will be there. See, from both tables, it will bring the data. Okay. And I don't want this one. I just wanted to show you how it works. Okay. So example here, I'm going to take, so we have a field. Okay. So just go here and go back. Let me see you. What is the table here in the VBAP? Okay. Let me log in. You will clear understand. So in the VBAP table, we have, see here we have a table field wavelength. This is the primary key. So here it is there. And if we go, this is VBAP table. Remember it, VBAP table. And even if we go VBAC table also, same field available. So wavelength is there. So I'm trying to give wavelength. So POSNR, POSNR, it is available only this table, VBAP table, that field. The field is not available in VBAC. So I'm not getting any error. So here I'm getting error. What is the error? So wavelength is coming from both tables. So which table it has to bring? Which table data you required? So we need to specify. So in this case, like no, so it is not unique. The name Veblen is not unique. That is the error, syntax error. So we need to specify from which table it is required. So I'm giving like this. So if we have multiple tables, then we need to give. Otherwise, no, we will get the error. See, this is just warning only. So this is not required. So you can give it like no VBAP. So then we will not get this option, this error as well. Okay, but this is not mandatory, and still it will work. Remember one thing, if we are making any giant concepts means in SAP HANA, SAP BW on HANA, SAP BW4 HANA, giant, okay, S4 HANA, okay, SQL, any take tool, any tool you take it. Okay, giants means we should have two tables. We should have two tables. And one more thing, should have one common field. One common field. So then only we can do giants. Otherwise, we cannot do any giants. Remember this point always. If we are making giants between two tables, in both tables we should have one common field. So in this table, I have a common field is wavelength. I have a common is wavelength. Okay, now we can activate this one and you will get the results. And still you can do it like no, okay, still you are getting it. Okay, so we need to specify the table name in this case. Okay, so still you can mention VBAP as well, then it will works. Okay, see here, slowly understand the language, slowly we'll go complex queries as well. And this is how we'll do the giants. Okay, remember this by default left outer join will support. So you can see, okay, unique. And if you want to see unique, distinct values. Same last time. We are getting same. We close. And also here a select statement will generate. Right click and by default show SQL create statement. You can see this SQL statement created. You can see how it is created giants in the backend. Create or replace view. And this is a giant and you can see from VBAC table and VBAC table. Left out a giant. So this is making giant like this. Still we didn't take mandate, but it is creating a skill statement in the backend. Okay. For every CDSU, a skill statement will generate. But still, you can do it. Still, you can do it where class as well. So ending parameter is not important. That is optional. You already know this option. So like this, you can do it. Check. Okay. Right click and you can read. See like this will come. Okay. So in this way we can do joins all this. So always remember this same field available in both tables. We need to specify here table name. Otherwise not required. This one just remember this option. If the same field is coming from both tables, so we need to mention the VBAC dot. Otherwise it is not required. So POSNR, POSNR is coming from only VBAC table. So it is not available in VBAC table. So I just mentioned field. Okay. For this, if you give, then you will get the error. Because system will not understand. The same field is available in both tables. So we need to specify table name. Okay. Always remember this point. Okay. Let's take like do the one more giant with the multiple tables. Okay, with multiple tables. Let me create one more giant, and the giant will create based on three tables, not one table. Now you can create it. Access control data definition. So no need to collect it. Okay. Same way I will make this comment this one. And you can see here, okay, we need to mention this SQL view name. So it will allow like no, see how many it will allow. I'm getting error here. You can see here, unexpected word. So it will throw the error, I think. See, ABAP syntax error. What is this? Can we see? So we should not give more than where it is log. We should not give more than 16 length. So just remember this option. Okay, now you can see, check, and I don't see error, ABAP syntax error.